It's now time for Honk the car, Toot the boat, and Swoosh Swoosh the helicopter in another of their happy adventures. It's a lovely day in Springland. Morning, birds. Morning, Wally the whale. Morning, foal. Swoosh Swoosh the helicopter has a new harness. It is used for lifting things up into the air. Hey, there's Honk the car. Today, Swoosh Swoosh wants to take Honk flying. Come on, Honk! I'll give you the first airlift in my new harness, calls Swoosh Swoosh. Poor Honk is scared, but he doesn't want to tell anybody. Not today, thanks, says Honk. Not today, calls Honk. Poor Swoosh Swoosh thinks Honk is mad with him.
Maybe Honk isn't feeling well today.
Bleats Lolly the lamb. Phew, Honk is very glad that Swoosh Swoosh has flown away.
Flying must be such fun,
says Torty Turtle, giving Honk a big fright. There's Toot the boat. I don't think Honk wants to be my friend anymore, Toot, says an unhappy Swoosh Swoosh. Honk doesn't want Swoosh Swoosh to ask him to fly again. Honk explains to Toot that he is afraid of heights and gets very dizzy if he goes too high. Swoosh Swoosh is my best friend. How am I going to tell him I don't want to have an airlift? Asks Honk. I'm a car, not a bird. I like staying on the ground.
There's only one thing to do, Honk,
explains Toot.
You must tell Swoosh Swoosh the truth.
But Toot, says Honk, then everybody will think I'm a scaredy cat and they will laugh at me.
No, Honk. There's nothing wrong with telling someone you're afraid of something,
explains Toot. Are you still mad with me, Honk? Asked Swoosh Swoosh. I wasn't mad with you. I was just too shy to tell you I'm scared of flying, explains Honk. Oh, I'm sorry, Honk. I didn't know you were afraid of heights, says Swoosh Swoosh. Hey, I'm scared of some things too, like falling into the water, admits Swoosh Swoosh.
Please, can I have a ride?
Asked Torty Turtle. At last, Honk was happy again. Have fun, everybody.